Oh, this one's the Liberty of the Seas. Pretty awesome. Wow, look at that big one. Got the pool deck, everybody looking out over the pool deck. It's a nice hot day too for it. Pier 21 is where Liberty of the Seas is docked. Nice, they got one of those boomerang water slides, the ones we just did at Canada's Wonderland, and I never want to have to do again. But that's pretty cool. They must have retrofitted the Liberty of Seas a little while ago, because I don't recall that back when I was cruising these smaller boats. Now we're on more like the Oasis class, or I want to still do the Icon of the Seas. That's on the bucket list. Oh look, they got a whole train from CN National Railway. Really cool. It's like an old passenger car too, with the big plush seats. A lot more room back then. Definitely with the heat today, it's got some Caribbean vibes definitely here. You got the sea, you got the heat. Looks like some tour buses are coming back from day tours around Halifax. And the excursions you can book on these things. But yeah, nice big boat there. Bunch of cool water slides. I think we'll see a couple more as we turn the corner here, or get past this part of the pier. Got an apparel shop, the East Coast Lifestyle. Looks like a branded. Branded apparel. Oh, very cool. They got like a little East Coast Lifestyle VW bus on with surfboards and all. Nice. Let's see what the other boat is. Tomavino is Ristorante. Sounds like a nice Italian place. Ooh, Pavilion 20, that must be the other pier for, what's this? The Crystal Serenity. Oh, yes, these ones do tours, cruises. New York, Dover, Europe, New England area and that. So yes, smaller boat. Not sure if it's like more luxury, bigger suites or so. I think they boast something like 95 or 93 square feet per person for their boat. So a 10 by 10 space for everybody. Harrison Brewing Company. Very cool. Nice spot. I wonder what that building is. Interesting. Old hotel or office tower. Well, I know that could be a hospital. This one has a nice observation deck. Looks like where the pool would be. Just based on what I can see from the seating and that. Luxury seating. There's the rest of the slides on the Liberty of the Seas. Very nice. Definitely looks like a lot of fun. Halifax Pier Pub. Oh yeah, since you can see right through that observation deck, that's definitely going to be where the pool is. Big opening central so that you can have the swimming pool open to the air. Traffic's still jammed up here, just getting out of the port. Halifax Pier Pub. Not sure now if I'm going to go to that beer garden, or maybe I'll save that for later because it's really hot today. Oh, looks like they're also working on the lifeboats. Saw someone puttering around in there, checking things out. You can see the bridge up top. Looks like the observation deck goes around. The bridge is just underneath it. Or at least the pilot's bridge. Gotta see as we come around if the bridge is in line with the pilot's bridge or if it is actually that space up top. You can definitely see that's like more of a lounge because it's got those lamps all up against the window at that portion, and then it's open air to the pool area over there. It's that crystal shrimp. Volunteers statue, America's. Looks like it's dedicated to all the immigrants coming in at the port, establishing this country. I shouldn't say establishing, but making it what proud history it is. It's a nice boat, not the big one, but still pretty decent. This is all the offerings here. Media Center, AdCAD, Pavilion 20, the pier, Halifax Port Authority. That's where all the ships have to check in. It's nice I could get this close. I remember for the States, the Port Authority is much more intense. Don't want you filming, scoot you away, or tell you to put your camera away if you're getting on the boat. Even for the gangplank to get out to it, they don't want you filming until you're actually on the ship. Interesting. It's very cool. Yeah, I know. This is the boat that I saw from this morning. Hey, focus. lot of artists working away on some sketches. Local buildings, the waterfront. Very cool. I think it's time to head back to the 4 Points. Let's travel along against the rickshaw. Very cool. New bar opening here, water polo. Looks like they're working away hard at the bar. Got a whole bunch of bar tops they're working on. Very exciting. What a new drinking establishment. Fun, fun, fun. And, beautiful view of the harbor. See a whole bunch of the bar tops made already. And we have sea smoke. Awesome public space just to relax by the waterfront. Adirondack chairs and a lot of great seating. Very cool. There's the bicycle thief. Very nice. There's water polo. Oh, looks like they're actually open. They're just working on their new bar patio outside. Oh, and there's a new place coming, Matadora Tapas Bar. And Vandal Donuts. There's the Asian restaurant bar. Ooh. I think that's apartments above or condos above the bicycle thief.
If you don't have anything exciting, then you guys are still together, then you're classified as fun on day.
Nice yachts. Bearings. And there's where we saw the cruise ships, and now we're back around here. Got other videos on all the rest of that stretch through.
Hit subscribe, hit that button down there. And if you hit subscribe and like the video, then maybe I'll stop singing. We'll never know unless you hit subscribe, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and maybe I'll stop singing. Let's find out if that works.